Section 7.6, Example 2 on page 477, we have when you know the midpoint and an endpoint of a segment, you can use the midpoint formula to find the other endpoint. Example 2 says the midpoint of segment CD is m negative 2, 1. One endpoint is c negative 5, 7. What are the coordinates of the other endpoint D? Reminder that the midpoint formula mxy is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. We can let m negative 2, 1 be xy, c negative 5, 7 be x1, y1, and d be x2, y2. This gives us m negative 2, 1 equals negative 5 plus x2 divided by 2, 7 plus y2 divided by 2. Now we can focus on just the x values and just the y values. We'll start with the x values. We have negative 2 has to equal negative 5 plus x2 divided by 2. Now we can solve for x2. We can start by multiplying both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and we are left with negative 5 plus x2 on the right. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Next, we can add 5 to both sides. Negative 5 plus 5 is a 0 pair, which leaves us with just x2 on the right. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1, which gives us x2 equals 1. Next, we have that the y value must be 1 and 7 plus y2 divided by 2. So 1 must equal 7 plus y2 divided by 2. We again can multiply both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1, and we have 7 plus y2 equals 2 times 1, or 2. We can subtract 7 from both sides. 7 minus 7 is 0. We have y2 on the right. 2 minus 7 is negative 5, so we get y2 equals negative 5. Therefore, D, the other endpoint, or x2, y2, is the point 1, negative 5. There is actually a shortcut we can use on the graph. We can count how far away C is from M, which was 6 down and 3 to the right, and if we duplicate that, goes 6 down and 3 to the right, we will end up at D, which was 1, negative 5. So we could actually get that same answer just by using the graph without doing any of this work. The work for this problem is written out on the next few slides. And now I would like you to try homework number 3 on page 477. The coordinates of point T are given. The midpoint of segment ST is 5, negative 8. Find the coordinate of point S. For number 3, we have T is 1, 12.